When an ethics amendment is submitted, it will appear in your ETH Amendment Submitted homepage tile. Click the amendment form to select it. There are a few ways you can review the submitted amendment form and documents. In related forms, you can view the amendment form on the page by clicking the Form ID. You can also download the amendment and documents by clicking on the Download Forms and Attachments. This will download the package into a zip file. You can also use the Form ID in Documents to search for the amendment. You can then click on the electronic file name to review the documents on screen. Once you have reviewed the amendment and documents, you can provide the decision outcome. Select Management and Decisions. Make the page editable, and then select Add Decision. It is very important that you select the correct type of decision here, as there are system automations that will activate based on the type of amendment. By clicking on the type, you can see each amendment and a description provided for them. For this scenario, I am processing a general amendment, so I will be selecting Amendment Form. Use the Form ID to select the amendment from Project Form, and add yourself as a user by searching for your name and selecting. The free text box here is to be considered working notes, meaning the applicant cannot see this, only other team members in your office can. When approving an amendment, manage the approved documents by clicking Select Documents. A quick way to filter to find the amendment you're processing is by selecting Related Entity and selecting Forms, and then by selecting the type of amendment, which is notification of an amendment to a research study under Project Form. Select the documents for approval. On the Decision row, select View User Decision, select your name, and provide the decision outcome. When Decision Pending Request for More Information is selected, this will make the amendment form editable, allowing the applicant to edit the form and submitted documents. When Not Approved is selected, the applicant will need to create a new amendment form as it cannot be edited. And when Approved is selected, depending on the type of amendment, there are certain workflows that will activate and automations that will occur. Any comments you add in the free text box here will pull through to the approval email. Once the outcome has been provided, select Send Email. Edit the email template. Any colored text requires your review and removal as appropriate. When editing the email template, it's important not to remove information that provides guidance and information for the applicant on the next steps. Once you have finished editing the email template, you can send the email. The email is sent to the coordinating principal investigator, related sites principal investigators, and administration contacts in REGIS. You can see via the tick on the decision row that the email has successfully sent.